I am Bert. I'm a developer and I run a company in Belgium called Philpo Digital Studio, and we create awesome web applications and we help companies deliver their dreams to their clients. And I also have a YouTube channel where I teach Laravel.
That's pretty cool. So I know that Philpo is sponsoring this year's Laravel.
Yes.
What do you think about that? What do you think about Laravel India community?
I think this community is really awesome. The amount of energy in Laravel India is through the roof, and the sponsorship is just, I have so many friends here, so it was logical for me to do this.
That's so cool. Is it your first year here, or have you...
I was here last year, also delivered the talk last year, and that's why I came back, because it was so awesome last year. So it's very excited to be back.
What would you like to say to someone that they might be thinking about coming to Laravel India?
Oh yeah, well, if it's Laravel India or Laravel EU or whatever, just try to be there. The community is awesome and you'll learn new stuff, not only on stage, but also communicating during the lunch breaks and connecting to people. It's just the awesome part of the community.
That's so cool. Okay, so I do have some questions for you.
Sure.
Let me see my cheat sheet here. So what is one Laravel feature more developers should be using, in your opinion?
One Laravel feature, Reverb.
Okay.
My answer,
Okay.
because I'm a real-time web guy. I love working with Reverb. And as a second choice, Laravel Boost nowadays. If you're missing out on Boost, you need to get on the Boost train as well.
That's cool. Okay, so what is the most common Laravel mistake you still see out there?
Well, the thing I touched on my presentation, zero user feedback. That's the common mistake I see, and timeouts, and not using queues the correct way. That's the common mistakes I see.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I do agree with the queues thing. You just need to find the right balance.
Yeah.
You do configuration and everything. So what is the fastest way to make a Laravel app feel faster, in your opinion, in terms of speed? That's it.
In terms of speed, well, the quick wins are getting rid of the N+1 queries. Second is caching, and then just optimize performance to the maximum as you can. That's my personal opinion.
Yeah, I do agree. Definitely agree with that. And what is something that developers over-optimize too early?
I think the front end. Make sure animations and stuff are on point. We mostly leave that to last, and make sure the structure is built perfectly. It's like building a house. You need to make sure that the base layers are correct and then build on top. And don't start off with fancy stuff on the ends. So
just start small and
start small. Make sure the foundation is correct. Plan your projects early on, and just start off from the beginning.
Yeah, pretty cool. One more now. What skill helped your Laravel career the most?
What skill helped my Laravel career the most? That's a tough question. I think starting a YouTube channel, it forced me to learn everything in a very, very deep way, so I can understand it really, really well to teach it. And that helped me in my day-to-day job as well, just knowing all the ins and outs of every single feature that Laravel offers. And I think that helps me the most.
Yeah, that's really great.
Knowing everything until you get it completely to the core, and that helps a lot.
So if you're trying to teach something, it's usually better, you learn it.
You learn by teaching, and you teach by learning. So, that's why I love about doing this.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, well, next question. So how do you keep up with Laravel changes?
Well, Laravel News, of course. Laravel News. I regularly check the Laravel newsletter, and I also read the release notes of Laravel. So also to get inspired to make videos, but to know the new stuff that's out there.
Everything happens so fast.
It's tough to keep up. Well, it changes so fast, and I think the age of AI will not help in this case. But we'll need to make choices.
It's going to be positive, right?
Yeah.
So, regarding AI, how is AI actually helping your Laravel workflow today?
Today, I'm still on the fence a little bit for how to use it, but I think we're just on the beginning of some exciting times, like with Laravel Boost, and you can now plan out your project on front. You can have workers help you build it, but be sure to actually check everything that your agent does for you. just
line by line, right?
line by line, just like Nuno said in his talk. We're not only vibe coders anymore, we need to be agentic coders as well. So you need to be sure what is created and understand what your AI agent is building before anything goes to production, basically. So
definitely.
Yeah, that would be it. Yeah.
So where can people find you if they won't find you?
Well, at Twitter, BertDS, or Code with Bert YouTube channel, and just LinkedIn and stuff. So that's it.
Perfect. Yeah. Thank you very much, Bert. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.